Hello guys, I'm going to make an erupting volcano. For that I need a jar of water, foil, vinegar, food colouring and baking soda. I'm going to start with the foil and I'm going to wrap it around the water jar. I'm going to make it flat like a volcano. Need to be really careful with this. Make it still. Well, that looks good. I'm going to make a hole in the volcano on the top. Now I'm going to give it a little space. There you go. I'm going to add some food colouring and I'm going to start with the yellow. After that, I'm going to use the orange food colouring. Now, I'm going to mix it. I've done mixing it. Now, I'm going to use some vinegar. Now, I'm going to use some baking soda. Whoa! It's exploding! Oh, and I'm getting really hot. Wow, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. See you soon. Bye, love.